So you're here, right? Right, Doug.
Yeah.
Tell us what you're doing and why you're doing it.
Well, this is the white guitar we've just been discussing.
The wed guitar?
The white guitar, and now it's in the red.
Very red. Well,
yep.
It's got like an orangey red to it, hasn't it?
Okay. It'll be different when it's had another couple of coats. It'll go darker.
Yeah. Is that stuff dangerous to the lungs?
Not really. Well, everything's dangerous to the lungs, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not too bad. It's not a 2-pack or anything. It's just a colour.
Just a colour. Well then, I'm gonna shoot off now.
So we've done that. I'm making Les Pauls. I don't know whether you've seen these.
Yeah, we've done that. Yeah.
We've done them.
Well, not. We did the next the other day. Well, I did that.
This is my Brazilian mahogany.
Yeah, we've already done that. Yeah.
Yeah, we've done that.
Done that. In fact, I've uploaded that video today.
The necks are there.
The necks are there.
Yeah. And
it's a bit of dust.
the next job is I've got to tidy my bench off to completely empty it.
Why?
I've got to look. Well, I'll show you why.
You're not going to enjoy that task.
I set fire to this.
Excellent.
There.
Is this a social services job? Is this the beginning? He burnt alive. He must have set himself on fire.
Whoosh, it went up.
Why did you do that?
Well, I didn't do it on purpose. I can't remember.
I don't think it's really done. It's not that bad. You can work with that.
Well, it's a bit crispy.
Nah. Why don't you just put a towel over the top?
Well, I've got a new covering, or I could turn it over. You know, it's fine on the other side.
Yeah, but I mean,
just got to get it all off.
Yeah, but who are you going to get? Who are you going to get to help you to do that?
Well, I can do that myself. Won't take me long.
Sure?
Yeah.
It's going to take you all day to do that.
Well, it is a day's job, isn't it, to clean all this off. I've got some nice new material down there to put on this bench.
You know what? I do it. Do it. Because it's a nice change from making guitars, and also it'll make you feel good when you've done it.
Yeah.
And it'll be a bit of bling for when the customers come in, eh?
Yeah.
Where's this new material?
Pardon?
Where's this new material?
Oh, it's in a roll over there under the router, the underhead router.
The underhead?
Well,
right.
the under one. Yeah, it's a roll of it.
All I can see here is a massive cushion.
That's it. There it is.
Oh yeah. You sure that's new? I think that's been there.
It's not brand new. No, nothing's brand new.
It's been there for decades.
Sorry?
Videoing again. Yeah, always videoing. I've got nothing better to do than video him. It's not like I've got a living to make or anything like that.
Shut up, you tot. And that's can't remember what that does.
Anyway, so I reckon that's he's going to put some new stuff on his bench because he's set. He needs to call social services. He set himself on fire the other day.
Set it on fire.
Yeah.
Not good.
So it's the beginning of the end. Yeah. I shouldn't say that, should I? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you burning alive, Doug.
I bought this the other day. This Brazilian mahogany.
You bought it?
Yeah, well.
Well, you've got plenty up there.
No, but you have to store it.
Keep restocking.
Keep moving stock. I've just bought this one plank to see what the quality of the stuff was like.
It's crap.
And it's very good. But it was 72 quid just for that piece.
That's not that much. I'll have a couple. Get me a couple.
Well, what do you want to do with them?
No, just have them leaning up against the wall.
Oh, okay.
Like I say, I've got a bit of Brazilian mahogany
Okay.
in stock.
Yes, Brazilian mahogany used to be as cheap as chips. It was for nothing.
Actually, that's not Brazilian mahogany.
It is.
You sure? I thought you couldn't get Brazilian mahogany anymore.
Oh, you can get it. You just can't. It's rare. You can get it.
Well, if it's rare, why is it only £70 a plank?
This isn't that rare, is it?
Oh.
It's a hell of a big size, you know, the Brazilian rainforest.
No, but I thought...
Most of the bloody trees have been burnt. They haven't even been cut down and sold. They've been bloody burnt. All them absolutely gorgeous trees instead of, oh God, it makes you seethe, doesn't it? Makes
Well,
me seethe.
If I could get my hands
I'm
on
seething still.
if I could get my hands on a Brazilian mahogany tree, so I could use it for my wood burner, frankly, I'd have one.
You're a really Philistine.
Right, I've got to go. Traffic, you know.
Oh, yeah, have you gone
Traffic's
yet?
terrible. Don't you agree?
Yes, I think
Yeah.
you're getting on my
Yeah.
nerves anyway.
Traffic's bad.
Yeah, right then. Okay, listen, just do us a favour. Try not to...
Why don't you get yourself a helicopter? Then you wouldn't have to worry about the traffic.
can you just go upstairs, get me some money then?
I think so.